Hello everyone, you welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about listening and note taking. Now listening is a very important and essential skill that all students must develop. It has been established through research findings that lack of effective listening tends to impede one's career advancement in various forms. So if you are not a good listener, you may not grow in your career as a person. Complete comprehension of any oral message, speech, lecture is more challenging than reading. While reading, you happen to miss a few lines. You can reread and understand the link. But when you are listening to an important lecture, but when you are listening to an important lecture or a meeting, you cannot always ask the speaker to repeat, especially while you are in the edge of big gathering or in a closed chamber meeting with the head of the company. Now, here comes the art of developing effective listening and the habit of note taking. You cannot remember everything you have been listening, so while listening, if you take notes, it can be very productive on later. The process of listening comprises of four stages. First is perception, second is interpretation, third is evaluation, and the fourth is action. So perception is when the listener observes and focuses on the message, sensing. Second is interpretation. The listener decodes or interprets the message. Okay. Evaluation. The listener judges the contents of the message, which is valuation in a way. And action is the listener responds to it. That is response. Now, listening is a complex process which involves perceiving and interpreting the sound correctly, as well as understanding the implied or explicit meaning of the message. It includes skills like scanning, prediction, speech decoding, comprehension, and oral discourse analysis. Scanning is the ability to locate specific information in a conversation, in a speech, presentation, or argument where prediction is guessing information. Now, what are some of the effective listening strategies? Now, most students who do not have systematic approach to listening face difficulties in understanding a lecture, a seminar, or a discussion. They suffer from lack of concentration, boredom, and poor comprehension. So, what are the 10 rules of good listening? First, stop talking. Do not talk while you are listening. One cannot be a speaker and a listener at the same time. Stop thinking. It is not enough if you can stop talking. You cannot listen effectively when you are involved in thinking. Remove distraction. You should avoid all distraction. Concentrate on listening alone. Do not let your mind wander. Put your speaker at ease. Do not prejudge. Give the speaker a chance to complete. Do not be angry. Control your anger if you are irritated with the speaker's ideas. Emphasize with the speaker. Be patient. Take notes. Now, what are some of the techniques of taking notes? Taking notes while listening to lectures and talks is an academic activity. There are 4 steps: listening, filtering, paraphrasing, and noting. Now, let's talk about listening. Now, follow the rules of good listening and apply active listening techniques for better comprehension. Carefully listen to the verbal message in order to identify its purpose and scope. Identify different modes of style, for example, reading style, conversational style, informal, rhetorical, so on. Deduce meaning of words and phrases from their context and infer relationship. Recognize key terms related to the subject. Recognize functions of stress and intonation. Recognize function of non-verbal cues as makers of emphasis and attitude. Filtering. Do not try to write everything. Filter the information received. Concentrate on the verbal signposts to recognize the organization and main points of the speech. Identify the relationship among the units within the speech. Look out for key words and phrases. Identify the role of discourse markers. And identify the salient points. Paraphrasing. After identifying the core information, rephrase suitably. Use appropriate words and phrases to express the central idea, main points, and supporting details. Do not use complete sentences anywhere. Use words, phrases, and clauses. So if I have to talk about note after restructuring and rephrasing the core information, jot them down. Use appropriate reduction techniques such as abbreviations and symbols to save time. Use numerals, numbers, and decimalization, and so on. Use note cards and notebook. So note taking, jot down the points, use abbreviations, use subordinating techniques, etc. I hope this video would be very informative and you must have learned the art of good listening and note taking.